Right now, the conflict in the Middle East feels intense, unpredictable, and deeply concerning. With multiple countries involved and tensions rising beyond just one battlefield, many people are asking the same question: what happens next? While no one can predict the future with certainty, we can look at patterns from past conflicts to understand what is most likely. In the short term, we can expect continued escalation but controlled escalation. This means there may be more retaliatory strikes, military operations, and strong political statements. However, these actions are often calculated. Major powers in the region and globally understand that a full-scale regional war would be devastating not just militarily but economically and politically. A wider war could disrupt global oil supplies, shipping routes, and financial markets. The Strait of Hormuz, for example, is one of the world's most critical energy choke points. Any major disruption there would send fuel prices soaring worldwide. Because of this, powerful nations have strong incentives to prevent the conflict from spiraling out of control. At the same time, humanitarian conditions, especially in Gaza, are likely to remain severe. Even if temporary ceasefires are negotiated, rebuilding infrastructure, restoring aid access, and addressing civilian suffering will take time. Humanitarian crises do not disappear overnight, even when fighting slows down. Another key factor is diplomacy behind the scenes. While public rhetoric may sound aggressive, history shows that back-channel negotiations often happen quietly. Countries may use intermediaries to reduce tensions, exchange messages, or negotiate limited agreements. These diplomatic efforts are rarely visible, but they can play a crucial role in preventing a broader war. There is, however, a worst-case scenario. If a major strike results in extremely high civilian casualties, targets symbolic locations, or directly pulls additional powerful states into open combat, escalation could accelerate rapidly. Miscalculations in highly tense environments can sometimes trigger larger confrontations. That said, most regional conflicts, even intense ones, tend to stop short of total war. The economic costs, political risks, and potential for uncontrollable consequences usually push leaders to seek containment rather than full expansion. So what is the most realistic outlook? We are likely to see prolonged instability, periodic diplomatic efforts mixed with military pressure. Unfortunately, continued civilian suffering in affected areas, but not necessarily a global war. The situation remains serious, complex, and emotionally heavy. The coming weeks and months will depend heavily on political decisions, international mediation, and whether key players choose escalation or restraint. For now, the world watches, hoping that diplomacy outweighs destruction.